Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get water in 7 days. So to begin, first of all, we'll need to have a empty water jar or some murky water, and to get the murky water with the empty jar you want to go to a river or some water source and just go ahead and right click while holding the empty jar. This is going to fill all of the jars in the slot with murky water, as you can see, and you can drink it just like this, but there's a chance that you'll get some sickness from it. And also it is going to decrease your health a little bit. And now that you've collected or gathered some murky water, you can go ahead and craft a campfire from some stones. And here also you'll need a cooking pot, which can be found inside of the kitchens inside houses. And once you do, you want to go click on the water recipe and just click cook. Also, you'll need some kind of fuel, for example wood, and put it right here so that you have the campfire working. This is going to take 12 seconds to craft one water, and it is going to display it right here. Then just put it into your hotbar, and left clicking it is going to make you drink it. So this is pretty much all. How to get water in 7 days. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.